Brother, ever tried to remove a brake rotor and it feels welded to the hub? You hit it, pull it, nothing moves. This problem is more common than you think. The science is simple. Heat, moisture, and metal contact create corrosion over time. The solution starts with awareness. If you know what causes it, you can prevent it. Stick with me, because mistake number 1 might surprise you. Segment 2. Here is the first mistake. Installing brakes on a dirty hub surface. Science shows rust increases friction and metal bonding. The fix is simple. Always clean the hub before installation. Use a wire brush or light sanding. Practical tip. A clean surface saves hours later. Coming up next, the second mistake that makes things even worse. Segment 3. Quick motivation, buddy. Small habits prevent big repairs. A few extra minutes now can save hundreds later. Respect the basics and your car will respect your wallet. Now let us move to mistake number 2. Segment 4. Mistake number 2 is skipping protective lubrication. Bare metal meets heat and moisture. Science proves corrosion accelerates fast in that condition. The solution is using the right anti-seize on the hub face, not on the studs, just the hub. Next, I will explain why many people do this wrong. Segment 5. Many drivers think grease anywhere is fine. That is not true. Wrong products can contaminate brakes. The fix is using brake-safe anti-seize only. Practical tip. A thin layer is enough. More is not better. Up next, what happens if you ignore this long term? Segment 6. Motivation time, brother. Smart maintenance is not about working harder, it is about working smarter. Professionals follow steps for a reason. Now let us see the long-term damage. Segment 7. When rotors stick, removal causes damage. Hammers bend components. Heat cracks metal. Science shows uneven stress weakens hubs. Solution is prevention, not force. Tip: never rush brake jobs. Coming next, signs your brakes are already sticking. Segment 8. Early signs include vibration, uneven braking, and noise during service. These are warnings. Fix it early. Clean and protect during the next brake job. Next, I will explain weather effects. Segment 9. Motivation reminder. Cars live longer when drivers pay attention. Your awareness is your best tool. Now about weather. Segment 10. Humidity and road salt accelerate corrosion. Science confirms salt acts like an electrolyte. Solution is extra care in wet climates. Tip: inspect hubs during seasonal tire changes. Up next, torque mistakes. Segment 11. Over-tightening wheels increases heat transfer to hubs. That speeds corrosion. Solution is proper torque using a wrench. Tip: never rely on impact guns alone. Next, how professionals avoid stuck brakes. Segment 12. Motivation again, buddy. Doing things right once beats fixing mistakes twice. Professionals follow process, not shortcuts. Now their method. Segment 13. Pros: clean, protect, torque correctly, and inspect regularly. No magic, just discipline. Science supports consistency. Tip: make a brake checklist. Next, what not to use. Segment 14. Avoid heavy grease, oil, or random sprays on hubs. Heat breaks them down. That creates contamination. Use only brake-rated products. Next, how often to check. Segment 15. Motivation brake. Maintenance is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Small steps add up over time. Now, inspection intervals. Segment 16. Check hubs every brake service or tire rotation. Science shows early rust is easy to remove. Late-stage corrosion is not. Tip: do not wait for noise or vibration. Next, quick recap. Segment 17. Recap, brother. Dirty hubs and no protection cause stuck brakes. Clean metal and correct anti-seize prevent it. Simple logic. Next, final advice. Segment 18. Final advice. Respect heat, moisture, and metal contact. Cars follow physics, not opinions. Tip: treat brake service as precision work. Next, closing message. Segment 19. Motivation closing. Take pride in how you maintain your car. Knowledge gives control. Control saves money and stress. Now let us wrap this up. Segment 20. If this helped you, like, share, and comment your experience with stuck brake rotors or drums. Disclaimer: This video is for general education only. Consult a qualified professional if your vehicle has specific conditions or